बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम पीपीएससी के पेपर के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो 2016 में हुआ था, 16 ग्रेड का लैंड रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर। चलें इस पेपर की जानिब चलते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट सेंसस इन पाकिस्तान वाज हेल्ड। द ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, इन 1951। Soil erosion can be prevented by. The option B is correct, afforestation. Synonym of opportune is. The option B is correct, appropriate. In 1867, the USA purchased Alaska from. The option B is correct, from Russia. Zakat and Usher ordinance was promulgated in. The option B is correct, in 1980. The President issued an ordinance when the Parliament is not in session on the. The option B is correct, recommendation of the Speaker. Hollywood, the center of American film industry, is located in the state of. The option B is correct, in California. The Indian National Congress was founded on the initiative of. The option C is correct, A.O. Hume. South Africa, also called the Rainbow Nation, has official languages. The option D is correct, 11. Ijma means. The option A is correct, consensus. Who held the portfolio of finance in the first cabinet of Pakistan? The option D is correct, Malik Ghulam Muhammad. The famous French football player Zinedine Zidane originally belonged to. The option B is correct, Algeria. Physiotherapy is a curative method for. The option B is correct, immobility of joints. The third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marhattas. What was the evil practiced by the people? Sodom and Gomorrah. The option C is correct, indulged in homosexuality. Alia parted her parents in tears. The option A is correct, from. Alia parted from her parents in tears. A man walks 3 km to his east, then turns and walks 3 km towards north, then turns and walks 3 km towards west. Indicate the correct direction in which he is in relation to his starting point. The option B is correct, in west. What was the name given to India's pot plan? The option A is correct, June 3rd plan. The name of laughing gas is. The option D is correct, nitrous oxide. Programs written to make computers function in a desired way are called. The option C is correct, softwares. Where was the first FIFA Football World Cup played? The option D is correct, Uruguay. To cut a word in Microsoft Word documents, which combination of keys is used? The option B is correct, Control plus X. In which country is Koh Adam located? The option A is correct, in Sri Lanka. The United States of America at present federation consisting of. The option B is correct, 50 states. The terrorist attacks on Army Public Peshawar School took place on. The option B is correct, on 16 December 2014. Dr. Christian Barnard performed the first ever heart transplant on human. Which country was he from? He was from, the option C is correct, South Africa. The solidified form of which gas is known as dry ice? The option B is correct, carbon dioxide. Second Battle of Panipat was fought in 1556 Anno Domini. Between none of these. The further information is given below. Find the correctly punctuated sentence from following sentences. The option B is correct. Alas, his father has died. Alas के साथ हमेशा ही sign of exclamation लगेगा. Who postulated the theory of natural selection in evolution? The option D is correct. Darwin. Mahmud Ghazni was son of. The option B is correct. Subukhtagin. Justice delayed is justice. The option A is correct. Denied. Choose the synonym of in way. The option B is correct. Remonstrate. Kigali is the capital of. The option D is correct. Rwanda. Which of the following number is divisible by 12? The option D is correct. 4404. If the day before yesterday was Saturday, then day after tomorrow will be. The option B is correct. Wednesday. Fill in the blank. The Romans triumphed dash the Greeks. Over. The option C is correct. Over. What type of a device is a computer mouse? The option B is correct. Input. The appointment of the Chief Justice of Pakistan is made by. The option B is correct. The President. Which surah of Quran Kareem enlists the categories of people eligible to receive zakat? The option D is correct. In Tawbah, in Surat Tawbah. In which battle British forces led by Duke of Wellington defeated French forces led by Napoleon Bonaparte? The option A is correct. Battle of Waterloo. Which word does not belong with the others? The option B is correct. Owns. Shortcut for printing a document in MS Word is. The option C is correct. Control plus P. Where is Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia buried? In Delhi. When a gas turns into a liquid, the process is called. The option A is correct. Condensation. What number should come next? 3, 4, 7, 8. The option D is correct. 15. Choose the synonym of nonchalant. The option C is correct. Dispassionate. Cryptology is the study of. The option B is correct. Codes. Shab-e-Miraj falls on. The option C is correct. 27 Rajab. Who is the current chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee of Pakistan's Defence Forces? The option D is correct. General Rashid Mahmood.